Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install CursorAI on Mac. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to Google search. Download Cursor AI. Press enter. Click on first link. Download Cursor. Now the Cursor official website is open. Click on download. Click download for macOS. Now the downloading is started. It is 386 megabytes setup file. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is Cursor setup file. Let's right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Drag cursor to Applications. Close Cursor Installer. Eject the Cursor Installer disk. Click on Launchpad. Click Cursor. Click Open. Click on Sign Up. Click Continue to sign in. You have logged in through Google, GitHub, Apple. Now I am logged in through Google. Now I am logged on as Google. Click Yes, log in. Click on Cursor Application. Click Allow. Click New Project. Click New Folder. I am given it name CursorAI. Click Create. Click Create Project here. Now our CursorAI is open. Would you like to access files in your Documents folder? Click Allow. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.